SuperMindz! Hey there, Super Explorers! Welcome to SuperMindz. We've got everything from cool learning stuff to fun games and quizzes. Let's go! Hey kids, are you getting bored? Well, let's look at some games to help you and your friends have fun. Let's dive into the world of indoor games. Building blocks. Building blocks are colorful pieces that snap together, letting you create anything that your imagination desires. Carom board. Carom board is a tabletop game where you flick a striker to pocket coins into corner pockets. Chess. Chess is an exciting strategy game with knights, queens, and kings on a checkered battlefield. Chinese checkers. Chinese checkers is a colorful game where you hop your pieces across the board to the opposite corner. Dart. Dart is a fun game where you try to throw small, pointy objects at a target on a wall, testing your aim. Ludo. Ludo is a fun board game where you raise your colorful tokens to the center. Jenga. Jenga is a thrilling stacking game where you carefully remove blocks without letting the tower tumble. Snakes and ladders. Snakes and ladders is a classic board game where you climb ladders and slide down snakes on your way to the top. Table tennis. Table tennis, or ping pong, is a fast and bouncy game played with a small ball and paddles on a table. Tic-tac-toe. Tic-tac-toe is a simple paper and pencil game where you try to get 3 in a row. And there you have it, a list of exciting indoor games for when you get bored. Until next time, enjoy your indoor gaming adventures. If you had fun today, give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe so you don't miss our next adventure.